A story every car guy needs to hear. At 25, I finally lived out my boyhood dream. A real sports car, paid for with my own money, sitting in my driveway. It was mine. It was red. It was my daily, my identity. And of course, I modded it. Then life changed. I got married, had my first kid. My small business was failing, and I did what I thought a man was supposed to do. I let it go. I thought growing up meant giving up the things I love for the ones I love. I sacrificed, and I did grow up. I worked, I built, I sacrificed again. Years later, I was running a successful company. 4 kids now. A life I was proud of. 2018, I found another one. Mint, stock, red. Bought it because a part of me still remembered who I was at 25. And yeah, I modded it. But success plays tricks on you. I convinced myself, again, that I was too old for the car I loved as a 25-year-old kid. So I grew up. I sold it. Then I bought this one. Then this one. Then this one. All unbelievable machines. But they weren't mine. I bought them. I drove them. Fast. But I didn't build them. Then one day, years later, the new owner of the red one reached out. He said he wanted to sell the car and wanted me to have the first chance to buy it back. When that call came, I wasn't in a position to buy it. Career in transition, starting another new business. 5 kids now, and a dog. But I didn't care. I wired the money the next day. Because that car was mine. Because that car was me. And that's the thing. This is why car culture deserves more love, less hate. Nobody should clown someone's ride. Not for their age, not for the badge, not for the price. Because sometimes, there's way more to that car than anyone realizes. Only the driver knows the story. Only the driver knows the boy inside. They're driving it their way. They're building it their way. And that deserves respect. When you've touched every bolt, when you know every scratch, every flaw, every little quirk, you don't love it less. You love it more. And it hits differently when you're behind the wheel of something you built with your own hands. So when I drive this red car today, it's not about the price tag. It's not about a dyno number or a quarter-mile time. Driving it is priceless because I built it, because it represents every version of me, the dreamer, the husband, the father, the CEO, and the man who finally realized that growing up doesn't mean letting go of the little boy inside.